Hi dolls, welcome to my channel, welcome to my birthday vlog. Today is chaotic. Today is actually my birthday. I was not planning on celebrating my birthday today on the actual day because I knew that I had to go to my friend's funeral because I'm not going to make it to the actual funeral. So basically Nikiloslaha before the funeral. I had some errands to run, I did a bit of maintenance. So yeah, I honestly did not plan on celebrating my birthday today. The birthday is today, but the actual birthday celebration that I had planned is tomorrow. We have a lot to do tomorrow. We're going for a hike in the morning, we're going to the spa, we're going to Ocaso. Yeah, we're doing quite a lot tomorrow. What I didn't plan was today, but today happened. I'm still in the Val. It is about 9 o'clock. I'm literally waiting for my Uber to come and pick me up. I'm going an hour away from where I am, and then we're gonna get there and celebrate. But for now, yeah, just wanted to give you dolls an update. I did my maintenance, like I said, did my nails, did my eyelashes. I was supposed to do my brows, laminate my brows, but that didn't happen. But anyway, happy birthday to me. And yeah, I'll see you dolls when we get to Roderbot. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day of the vlog. I'm not sure if I vlogged yesterday, but yeah, we didn't do much yesterday. Today we're doing a hike. Already at the hike, already did 5k. We're going to have breakfast after this. And then later we're going to the spa and we're going to Ocaso for tacos. So yeah, that is the plan for today, or the plan for my birthday. My birthday was actually yesterday, but I had a lot to do yesterday, so I couldn't really celebrate it. So we're celebrating it today, me and my 3 cousins. But we did go out yesterday. We went to, I don't know, some place in Roderbot for drinks. And yeah, we're just gonna be doing that today, probably chilling tomorrow. But yeah, let's just continue the hike.
Need a woman for delighting, not debating. No fuss, frustrate, just dead and lady. So give me to my love. He got one my mind always remind me of. Had a vision, we went back to when we were at that thing.
We made it to the waterfall. The waterfall. That was literally the longest walk of my life. We just finished 11k, but it felt like 20k. But yeah, we're done. Just got back to the house in Cosmo by my cousins. We went to Wimpy after hiking. Just got back and it is 1:20 and we had an appointment for the spa at 2 o'clock, so we're not gonna make it. We moved that to 4:45 because it's 3 girls. We still need to get ready and bath. So yeah, we moved the spa to 4:45. And we needed to be at Ocaso at 4 p.m. And when we tried to reschedule with Ocaso, they don't have space for the night anymore, but they'll see if they can squeeze us in. But for now, we're just gonna bath and go to the spa. A massage, full body massage for an hour, and it was absolutely I loved every bit of it. So now we're just gonna go chill at the pool a bit and have some cocktails before going out. We decided not to go to Ocaso today anymore, so Ocaso is a Sunday thing, so we're doing Ocaso tomorrow. So today we're just gonna go chill by the pool and then just go somewhere to quickly grab a bite and drinks. And then yeah, we'll see Ocaso tomorrow. Naledi, happy birthday, Naledi. Happy birthday, Naledi. 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 Happy birthday, Naledi. We have come to the end of our spa date. We are ready to leave. We're done with our treatments. We're about to go get something to eat and yeah, probably go home for the rest of the day because we're not doing anything. But the massages, 10 out of 10. Aesthetics, 10 out of 10. Everything, 10 out of 10.
Turns out I had you turned out.
That is it for today's vlog or my birthday vlog or the weekend vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please do leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you those in my next vlog. They still want us to go out when we get to Ocaso, but honestly I am exhausted, so I'll see. But yeah, that is it for my birthday vlog. Sorry. Come on, no. I think I don't have voice, but I got my
I never felt this before.